got us a DIY electrolysis cleaner, cleaning the turbo unit, running off of a DC 13.5 volt power supply, 2.2 amps, with our solution here of salt water minus the baking soda. We are using some washing soda stuff and a hint of orange juice. It's been in there for about a minute. The water's already darkening up pretty bad. And we got two gator clips, one hooked up to the spoon, one hooked up to the actual unit, and then we got to submerge in the water, and we're going to leave it for a few minutes and see how it turns out. Hopefully it'll clean this turbo up pretty good. In a small little bucket, doing it inside the pad. Got the air on, keeping it ventilated. You can see that we got bubbles coming off of the unit that we're trying to clean. That's how you know it's hooked up correctly. If you got bubbles coming off of the spoon, you got it hooked up backwards, so turn it off and then switch your plugs around. So, you guys want to try it? It's pretty easy. Works pretty good from what I hear. Peace.